It must have taken the rider of this motorcycle several days to paint it. A powerful and super vehicle, but not suitable for driving on the roads.
how much is mine?
ครับมันเป็นสั่นกับพี่อ๋อมันสั่นเนาะก็ยาหาไม่เจอเลยเหรอไหนดูเครื่องหน่อย
Oh my God, what happened to this engine?
ชิบหายกูจะเริ่มไล่ตรงไหนดีเนี่ยเจอยังไงเจอยังไงโอ้โหแล้วจะจับเกียร์ยังไงเนี่ยผมก็มาหาเกียร์ไม่เจอโอ้นี่ขับมาได้ไงเนี่ย
Can he control it on the road? What happened to this man's mind? This is the fastest way to separate the engine from the car.
That was way bigger than I expected it to be.
Nice idea to drive and play music together. This engine is suitable for a giant truck. They made a car from simple equipment. This truck looks very scary as it drives down the road. This guy built a truly unique motorcycle. This This man has built a true masterpiece, a steam-powered motorcycle. Do they really find enjoyment in this work?
Hey, pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back.
This man made a motorcycle out of tree branches.
Acquire grace, acquire mercy, acquire blessing, acquire space. Straight.
They must be competing with Tesla cars.
Blessing follow you.
Blessing follow you.
You are blessed.
This is a motorcycle that looks like a train. This car needs 2 men to drive it. Although this car was hit hard from above, it drives normally on the road.
Бля, он просто сидит. Просто сидит.
Man, I can't believe I stumbled
This car
upon
is
this
equipped with
dinosaur
bicycle-like
in the wild.
wheels.
50-inch wire wheels. Man, this thing used to be a classic back in the days. I can't believe this thing is still around. I know it's gone through a couple makeovers and stuff like that, but man, she's still looking good, still looking right. I mean, I know the tires ain't functional, but damn, imagine if they would. Man, this is making me want to just go back and go on them big lifts, big rims, man. But this is a hell of a...
This guy combined a motorcycle and a truck together. The driver of this car equipped it with plow wheels. This crawler has been converted into an agricultural plow. A beautiful innovation for on-road balance for this motorcycle. How could they think of creating such strange vehicles? This classic car is said to be the first car made by the venerable Mercedes company. This farmer converted his motorcycle into a plow. Nice plane, but can it fly? Did you like the video, my friends? Click the subscribe button and share your opinions with us.